Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mercedes GL450 battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged before you begin. This ensures a safe and smooth replacement process. Now let's locate your GL450 battery, which is usually found under the passenger seat. You might need to move the seat forward or remove a floor panel. Using your wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first, followed by the positive terminal. This order is crucial for preventing electrical shorts. Then, unfasten any clamps or straps securing the battery in its tray. With the old battery out, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors. A clean connection ensures optimal performance. Carefully place your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits firmly. Now, reverse the disconnection process. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Secure all hold-down clamps to prevent movement. After installation, double-check that all connections are tight and the battery is securely fastened. Start your Mercedes GL450 to ensure everything is working correctly. You might need to reset some electronic settings, like your radio or clock. For more tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's Black Ice air fresheners, check the description below. Keep your car running smoothly and smelling great.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.